ដំណើរផ្សងព្រេងរបស់ក្រុមចោរសមុទ្រ Monkey D. Luffy និងបកពួកធ្វើដំណើរស្វែងរក One Piece តើវានឹងមានរឿងអីកើតឡើងលើពួកគេនៅភាគនេះចាំមកស្ដាប់ការសម្រាយនៃរឿង One Piece Season 2 បែបមនុស្សសម្ដែងទាំងអស់គ្នាបើអ្នកមិនទាន់បានមើល Season 1 ទេអាចចូលទៅមើលសិនបានណាខ្ញុំក៏ធ្លាប់សរុបនិងសង្ខេបរួចហើយតើកុំឲ្យខាតពេលយើងមកចូលសាច់រឿងទាំងអស់គ្នានៅកន្លែងនេះក្រុមកងទ័ព Marine ត្រូវបានក្រុម Baroque Works ជាក្រុមអក្រិតកម្មសម្ងាត់ដែលដឹកនាំបង្កើតឡើងដោយ Crocodile ពួកគេមកនេះក៏ដើម្បីមកជួយគ្នារបស់ពួកគេនោះគឺ Mr. Seven Mrs. All Sunday ឬ Nico Robin ប្រពន្ធរបស់ខ្ញុំនេះក៏ជាក្រុម Baroque Works ដូចគ្នាក៏បានចូលមកកម្ចាត់ពួកកងទ័ពឡើងអស់ដោយថាមពលដែលបានមកពីការហូប Devil Fruitតែពេលចូលមកដល់ខាងក្នុងមើលទៅ Mr. Seven វាស្លាប់បាត់ហើយអ្នកដែលសម្លាប់ Mr. Seven គឺជា Zoro នឹងឯងគឺបែបនោះពួកគេភ័យមែនតែនបើសិនជា Crocodile ដឹងពីរឿងនេះប្រកាសជាមានរឿងធំចឹងហើយពួកគេត្រូវការសមាជិកថ្មីដើម្បីបន្តតំណែងពី Mr. Seven តែយ៉ាងណា Robin មិនលើកលែងទៅឲ្យអ្នកដែលសម្លាប់ Mr. Seven ទេទើបសួរ Marine ម្នាក់ទៀតដែលនាងទូជីវិតឲ្យថាតើ Zoro នោះទៅណាហើយគេក៏បានប្រាប់ថា Zoro កិច្ចចេញពីគុកទៅបាត់ហើយទៅជាមួយនឹង Captain របស់គេនាងក៏សួរបន្តថាអាណាគេដែលជា Captain របស់ Zoro Robin ក៏ងាកទៅឃើញ poster របស់ Luffy ទើបនាងនឹងថា Captain អ្នកនោះគឺជា Luffy ជាក្រុមចោរសមុទ្រដែលកំពុងតែធ្វើដំណើរទៅកាន់ Grand Line ងាកមកខាងក្រុមទូប្រុសយើងវិញ Usopp ដែលកំពុងតែផលិតអាវុធថ្មីរបស់ខ្លួននោះគឺគ្រាប់ចំពាម្រេចចំណែក Sanji កំពុងធ្វើម្ហូបសម្រាប់ក្រុមពួកគេប្រុសស៊ី Sandwich ចំណែកឯចានមឹកពិសេសគឺសម្រាប់អ្នកនាង Nami មើលទៅពួកគេកំពុងតែជួបបញ្ហានោះគឺខ្វះអាហារសម្រាប់ធ្វើដំណើរនិងគ្រឿងតុបតែងសម្រាប់ទូកមួយនេះគិតទៅវាក៏អស់លុយច្រើនណាស់ចំពោះរឿងនេះយល់ល្អពួកគេគួរតែទៅពិភាក្សាជាមួយនឹង Nami ដែលកំពុងតែមើលផែនទីដើម្បីរកផ្លូវល្អទៅកាន់ Grand Line មើលទៅពួកគេមានតែជិះឆ្លងកាត់ភ្នំដែលជាខ្សែទឹកមួយនេះជាវិធីល្អបំផុតតែនាងមិនធានារឿងសុវត្ថិភាពប៉ុន្មានទេតែវាក៏គ្រាន់ជាងអាផ្លូវត្រង់ឆ្លងទៅកាន់កន្លែងហៅថា Combel ដែរពីព្រោះបើពួកគេជិះតាមផ្លូវត្រង់ដល់កន្លែង Combel កន្លែងនោះគ្មានខ្យល់បក់ទូកឲ្យទៅមុខទេថែមទាំងមានបិសាចសមុទ្រចាំវាប្រហារពួកគេគ្រប់ពេលដូចនេះហើយផ្លូវជិះចូលទៅចន្លោះភ្នំជាវិធីល្អបំផុតតែមុននឹងឆ្លងទៅកន្លែងនោះពួកគេត្រូវឈប់នៅកោះ Lockton សិនដើម្បីទៅទិញរបស់របរប្រើប្រាស់និងចំណីសម្រាប់ធ្វើដំណើរតែថា Lockton គឺជាកន្លែងដ៏ធំរបស់កងទ័ព Marine នៃមហាសមុទ្រ East Blue ចឹងវាក៏មិនមែនជាកន្លែងល្អសម្រាប់ចោរសមុទ្រដូចជាពួកគេប៉ុន្មានទេ Nami នាងក៏ស្វែងរកកោះនៅជិតៗនេះហើយតែវាមិនមានសោះទើបពួកគេត្រូវតែឈប់នៅ Lockton សិនចំពោះរឿងនេះ Usopp មិនគាំទ្រទេតែយ៉ាងណា Nami និង Sanji គេព្រមហើយទើប Usopp នោះក៏ត្រូវការ Zoro ជួយគិត Zoro និយាយឡើងដោយមិនស្ទាក់ស្ទើរថាល្អតើឈប់នៅ Lockton ហ្មងទៅពីព្រោះគេនោះក៏ត្រូវការដាវថ្មីដែរមនុស្សចុងក្រោយដែល Usopp ទៅរកគឺជា Luffy ដែលជា Captain របស់ពួកគេតែពេលឮថា Sanji ទៅទិញអាហារសម្រាប់ពួកគេថែមទាំងឮ Nami និយាយទៀតថា Lockton នោះគឺជាកន្លែងដែលប្រហារជីវិតរបស់ Goldie Roger ទៀតរឿងនេះ Luffy រឹតតែចង់ទៅ Lockton ថែមទៀតចឹងគោលដៅរបស់ពួកគេគឺជា Lockton ហេតុការណ៍ក៏ត្រឡប់ទៅអតីតកាលជាថ្ងៃប្រហារជីវិតរបស់ Roger នៅក្នុងគុកនេះកាប់ឧត្តមនាវីឯកក៏បានចូលមករំលឹកការតស៊ូជូរចត់របស់ពួកគេទាំងពីរនាក់កន្លងមកជាច្រើនឆ្នាំនៅទីបំផុតកាប់ក៏ជាអ្នកចាប់ខ្លួនរបស់ Goldie Roger បានសម្រេចមុននឹងស្លាប់ Roger នោះក៏បានផ្ដាំផ្ញើដល់កាប់ថាគាត់នោះមានកូនប្រុសម្នាក់ចឹងហើយមុននឹងស្លាប់គាត់ចង់ឲ្យកាប់នោះជួយស្វែងរកកូនប្រុសរបស់គាត់និងជួយមើលថែគេផង Roger មិនចង់ឲ្យជោគវាសនារបស់កូនរបស់គាត់នោះត្រូវមកដូចគាត់អញ្ចឹងទេកាប់មិនបាននិយាយអីដែរតែមុននឹងចេញ Roger ក៏បន្តនិយាយថាការស្លាប់របស់គាត់នោះវាមិនធ្វើឲ្យពួកចោរសមុទ្ររលាយសាបសូន្យឡើយវានៅតែមានបែបនេះរហូតត្រឡប់មកបច្ចុប្បន្នវិញនៅទីបំផុតក្រុម Luffy ក៏បានមកដល់ Lockton អាចថា Luffy រំភើបណាស់ពេលមកដល់កន្លែងនេះពីព្រោះវាគឺជាកន្លែង Goldie Roger ត្រូវប្រហារជីវិតជាពិសេសថ្ងៃនេះគឺជាថ្ងៃគម្រប់ខួប32ឆ្នាំនៃការប្រហារជីវិតរបស់ Goldie Roger ដូចគ្នាទើបធ្វើឲ្យមានមនុស្សមកលេងច្រើនមុននឹងចែកផ្លូវគ្នាទិញអី Nami មិនចង់ឲ្យពួកគេបញ្ចេញមុខខ្លាំងពេកទេនោះតែមានរឿងពីព្រោះកុំភ្លេចថា Luffy ជាប់ឈ្មោះជាចោរសមុទ្រដែល Marine ត្រូវការខ្លួនបំផុតមិនមែនមានត្រឹមតែ Marine ទេវានៅមានអ្នកផ្សេងៗទៀតត្រូវការខ្លួនរបស់ Luffy ដោយសារតែ Luffy នោះមានតម្លៃដល់30លាន berry Sanji និង Luffy ទៅទិញម្ហូបពីព្រោះតែ Luffy ចង់ទៅឃើញកន្លែងប្រហារជីវិតរបស់ Roger ផ្ទាល់ភ្នែកទើប Nami នោះក៏ឲ្យលុយទៅកាន់ Sanji Zoro វិញក៏ត្រូវការដាវដែរទើបសុំលុយ Nami ដូចគ្នា Nami ក្បាប់ថាចំប្រុសតែថានាងមិនឲ្យ free ទេនាងឲ្យខ្ចីថែមទាំងកិត្តការប្រាក់ 300% ថែមទៀតដោយសារគ្មានជម្រើសមានតែតាមចិត្តមនុស្សស្រីស្រឡាញ់លុយដូចជា Nami នៅកន្លែងនេះវាកំពុងតែមានមនុស្សម្នាក់លួចសម្លឹងតាមដានពួកគេ Nami ក៏បានប្រាប់ពួកគេបន្តថាបើធ្វើអីហើយពួកគេនឹងមកជួបគ្នានៅកន្លែងដើមវិញងាកមកខាងបុរសម្នាក់នេះវិញគេមានឈ្មោះថា Smoker គេគឺជា Captain នៅកន្លែងនេះមិនត្រឹមតែប៉ុណ្ណោះ Smoker ក៏បានចាប់ខ្លួនរបស់ចោរសមុទ្រម្នាក់ហៅថា Gose បានម្នាក់ថែមទៀត Smoker ក៏បានសួរកូនចៅថាតើម្នាក់ស្រីឈ្មោះថា Tashiki ទៅណាហើយតែបុរសម្នាក់នេះក៏បានប្រាប់ថាគេក៏មិនដឹងថានាងទៅណាដែរ Zoro ដែលកំពុងតែស្វែងរកកន្លែងលក់ដាវស្រាប់តែគេដើរបោកម្នាក់ស្រីនេះពេលឃើញនាងគេស្មានតែជាមិត្តកាលពីនៅក្មេងពីព្រោះពណ៌សដូចគ្នា แต่ตามปัตเตอร์เนี่ยแมนเตเนี่ยปัจจุบันตัวน่าได้ดาวบอกโซโรจึงให้โซโรมีไอ้เนี่ยช่วยโดยเฉพาะเพลย์เนี่ยอาจช่วยบ้านแต่เราเนี่ยเคยโซโรโดยชื่อเวงเพลย์โซโรกับบ้านตอบแทนเหมือนบ้านเวงเต้ย่อมนี่เหมือนเวงเพลย์เหมือนโดยจุดย่อมเนี่ยเรื่องดาวเพลย์จุดนี้นะลื่นเจอเนี่ยก็บ้านไทยได้แต่ไปเคยโซโรมีดาวเนี่ยปัจจุบันรำนะเดี๋ยวตีนพอโซโรก็เราเคยกับไหลลูกดาวเนื่องจากขนมมีดาวชนะประเภทแมนเต้นแต่ก็ได้เนี่ยลูกบ้านเคยดาวระบอโซโรก็เปิดจุดจังบ้านเวียนนะทุกใบมอดหานี่คือจุดดาวทอมได้แต่เนี่ยลูกเนี่ยนี่เปิดจุดจังบ้านวิแมนเต้นเติบจังติงดาวระบอโซโรขนมลายเปิดแซมปราเมอร์เบอรี่ไทม์จมูกดาวใบโซโรปีเลือดตีดไอเรื่องตามจัดแต่มันตัวบ้านในยุโรปปรอมคณีพองซับแต้มเนี่ยใส่เหมือนนั่งกับมอกรอกโซโรดอกกับไหลนี่โดยซาแต่ดาวระบอโซโรจุดดาวเฮาทาดูวาดูอิชิมอนจิดาวเนี่ยเพย์มวยดอกกับรอหนังมีน้ำลายบ่มพอแต่มันเนียงปรับโซโรดาวนี้บ่อายกลุคือมีน้ำลายประหายดับเลี่ยนเบอรี่ไอเนี่ยลุนี่ล้างหัวเจ็ดปีโปรเกบี้หนังเบาโซโรเต็งวีขนมลายเปอร์เซ็นต์ไฮเตอร์นี่ถวยคุยกาออกนิ่งมอกนี่ก็นำใบยกดาวระบอนิ่งได้นิ่งบานมอกตังเจ็ดตามโซโรเต้ดาวมือโจมมือลาโรโซโรก็ปฏิบัติได้หนังดาวมือนี่ครั้งแต่เคยดาวนี่พยับเอาหน้าแฮดไอกับวีนาตีนี่บ้านวีคือจิดาวเซนได้เคดสึจิดาวมาดาซาดอกทะเลน่ะจำนีปราดาวดอกปุกไก่เบิกบานกรองดาวมือนี่เฮ้ยปุกไก่หนังจูบโจวิสนาตะกันสกัดได้สลับส่งใบเนี่ยลูกก็ในเย็นจังได้ก็มันไอลูกดาวมือนี่ออยโซโรบานเต้ตามปัตเตอร์ก็จองยูวีบอจอยูเฮ้ยแต่มันเฮียนคล้ายจอมมาดาซาออมุจวดจังเฮ้ยเนี่ยปราดาวถึงออเดอร์โลกขมิ้นน้ามันเนี่ยเฮียนปราดาวมือนี่เต้แต่โซโรโดเชื่อมันคล้ายซอบอสันจิดาวนี่เปิดจีมีมาดาซาแมนได้ทัวร์โจวิสนาระบอกเกตร์จ็อบแมนเกณฑ์หนังสั้นละบอลหนังวีถึงโจบอกเกชเนี่ยก็น้ำปกดาวมือนี่ออยเกฟรีโซโรกับบานบอกดาวลางเลือดดับเบิลทะเลโจมากัดได้ระบอกคลูนแต่ดาวนุบ้าเชี่ยมันเธอไอมาเลโซโรซอจังเฮ้ยไม่ได้ถ่ายเกชเนี่ยเฮ้ยเกสะซ้ำหนังปราวีหนูไปได้เคยพิบคลาหนังไซป์แนกระบอกโซโรในรวมเนี่ยนี่เปิดเฉียบเป็นจัดแน่ก็มันได้จุบเนี่ยพระดาโดยเฉียโซโรเต้กอดก็ปัญญายกดาวมือที่ออยโซโรปราวีคือเฉียดาวดอลละออบอมพลในขนมห้างระบอกกอดโซโรปราถาเกมมีลุยกรบกร้อนดับเบิลติงวีเต้ได้ในลวกปราถาดาวได้โซโรยกปีหาระบอกกอดเหมือนกันเลยสมใบใต้เหมือนกะชื่อพิเศษก็เปิดเฉียสมตัวบัดแมนได้เบาเป็นชอโซโรดับเบิลจองยกดาวระบอกเก้โดยซาแต่ดาวระบอกโซโรเฉียดาวได้กอดนุ่มมาทลอบเคยวีอยู่อย่างเฮ้ยตือกอดนุ่มจังบ้าแบบนู่บนต้อโมโซโรกับบานออกกอดให้มันเนี่ยสเรนี่เดบานจอยนายนอมเก้รุ่ยกับจ่าเจนปี้กับไหลนี่งี้มอกขังลูฟี่หนึ่งซันจิเว้นเนื้อขณะซันจิกับปุ้งแต่เต็งมาโฮบลูฟี่กับดาสไวน์เรากลายไปหาจิวระบอโรเจอร์หมุนบัตแต่ตามเพลเก้กับบานจุบหนังอ้าระบองนี่เมื่อเตวิดดูจิสกอลูฟี่ฉบับหน้าอีโปรแต่วิดังถ่ายลูฟี่คือชื่อบุคคลได้มีน้ำลายคลั่งขนมการจับตะอากองต้อมารินหอยอ้าระบองนี่มินชโมธาบัตโทโลมิโอเนี่ยเมื่อไอ้เนี่ยเมย์ประกอบจิสกออาเปนี่ให้บัตโทวิก้อนนี่ปราลูฟี่ธาจังวีนุหนังนอมลูฟี่เตอกันกลายไปหาจิวระบอโรเจอไอ้เพราะแต่บานเคยต่อภายในแบบนี้ลูฟี่เปิดชื่อสบายเจ็ดแน่ปีโปรวิคือชื่อกลายได้จับด้ามกรอบย่างรวมแต่ดำเนินการสวายโรวันพีซปองได้ซกหมดระบอเก้กับฮอเจนปีกบาลูฟี่ได้กับโปรแต่เดินตามจับหมดระบอเก้บาจะจูบนัสเตรจ้าระบอคล้วนเคยบานโนลูฟี่ก็ในยัยถามันบานจูบคณีอยู่ให้บันนี่มันแม่บันนี่ที่เว้ยยังคือชื่อบักกี้เว้ยนั่งให้เก้คือชื่อบักกี้สเตรจ้าระบอลูฟี่แต่วีแมนมอมเนี่ยไอเต้วีกับบานนอสเตรจ้าเนี่ยเตี้ยระบอลูฟี่มอกจมูกปองได้เนี่ยนู้คือชื่อจ้าสมุทรอาวิดาลูฟี่แต่บานเคยนิ่งเก็บเปเจ็บยับครั้งหน้าปีโปรรูปริงระบอนี่มันถอดอีกมอนชื่อแซนี่มอกจมูกหนังทางโปติดพ้องปีโปรแต่นี่นู่บ้านฮอบเดวิฟรูทเฮาถาสลิปฟรูทวีคือชื่อทางโปรมได้มีนามในไอไวนิงเตอร์เต้ลื่นเชิงลูฟี่กับจองซาแต่โดยเจ็บบานเคยเชิงมวยได้ระบอลูฟี่เหมือนนั่งรอเจ็บปีมุกระบอเนียงบานก็รึดถาก็บ้านได้ระบอลูฟี่ไอเธอไอมันเลเนียงบานนู้มวยดำบองระบอเนียงลูฟี่ลังเตียดเปบอบในลางมอกลูฟี่บ้าจิมินอารมณ์ออกกำลังขนมคล้วนมันไอสมเบต้กำลังได้หนึ่งเจิงบานซอบากี้กับบานปรับถาบ้านจีลูฟี่ซ้ายก็โดยซาแต่มีขนมได้แต่ทัวร์ลางปีทมอไคโร่หอยในแต่บานทำโปปีกาฮอบเดวิฟรูทมอไคโร่หนังตึกสมอดคือที่จุดหน่อยซ้ายระบอโปเก้การแต่ขนมได้นี่ทัวร์ลางโดยทมอไคโร่เติมลูฟี่มินกำลังขนมคล้วนทรงใบใต้มันติดงี้มกขังนี้เว้ยแข่งกองตัวมารินกับบานยกเรื่องระบอกรมจอสมมติหนังเรื่องลูฟี่กับปงไวคณีนุมอริกาดอสโมเกอร์ชื่อวิเซยังกับเดินที่ทำเนี่ยใส่เนื้อขนมแห้งลูกดาวจูมันโซโร่นี่คือจีท่าชิกิดัสโมเกอร์กับปงแต่สวายโรคเนียงเปรียบบ้านโดยจีโกนใส่ระบอสโมเกอร์จังด้อยมันจำอยู่โปเกก็เป็นหยับนมคณีตั้งกลายการให้นามิหนึ่งอูซบได้เต้นระบออ้อให้เติมมกจุ่มคณีนั่งกลายดาวโซโร่ก็ปกลอยไอเนียงแต่งออเว้งบีโปรเกมบานปราวีเต้ดาวนี่เนี่ยลูกออยฟรีนามิกับบานแทงวิมันได้บานฟรีเนอร์หรือมวยโซโร่นั่นต้องสำหรับเนี่ยลูกบัตให้โซโร่กับบานตอบแทงมันบานเตเวอร์ได้อย่างน่ะตุบยกลอยมกซองกรบให้นามินั่นแต่กระทลายการประดับได้จังกับเพลย์ซองเนียงพ่องซันจิได้มกดอลให้ก็ได้เหมือนเคยลูฟี่เนอร์จุมวยนามิบารอแมนเต้นจำนายซันจิสมาแต่ลูฟี่มกมุนตาเก็บมันเดินปัดแมนแต่เมื่อเตอร์มนูมันนี้กำปงแต่นอมคณีรถตะมือไอ้มวยเติบกรมตัวโปรยังกับนอมตัวตามได้วิอาจิลูฟี่กระถาบ้านลูฟี่ได้กับปงแต่ตระบ้านบากี้หนังอาวิดาจองนอมเกตกัดกบ้าพลิมโนกรมนามิกับบามกดอลเคยบ้านโนบากี้ตุกอ่อยอาวิดาจีในแต่จัดการกรมนามิ ចំណែកគេវិញនឹងនាំលូហ្វីនោះទៅកាត់ក្បាលនៅកន្លែងប្រហារជីវិតហើយការតស៊ូក៏ចាប់ផ្ដើមឡើងណាមីដែលចូលទៅវាយអាវីដាមួយដំបងក៏មិនអាចធ្វើអីលើនាងបានសោះដោយសារតែខ្លួនប្រាណរបស់អាវីដាមានថាមពលរអិលចឹងទៅមិនអាចវាយនាងត្រូវនឹងធ្វើនាងឈឺខ្លួនបានទេសូរ៉ូដែលបានដាវ3ក្បាច់ដាវរបស់គេមិនធម្មតាសាន់ជីក៏ដូចគ្នាមួយជើងរបស់គេពួកនោះឡើងខ្ទៀតចំណែកណាមីវិញមើលទៅនាងមិនអាចយកឈ្នះអាវីដាបានសោះនៅពេលដែលដឹងពីថាមពលរអិលរបស់អាវីដាអូសូក៏បានយកក្រមរែងដែលខ្លួនបានផលិតនោះបាញ់តម្រង់មករកអាវីដាណាមីក៏បានវាយស្បែកជើងរបស់អាវីដាឡើងរបូតក្នុងការដើម្បីឲ្យជើងរបស់នាងជន់ដីការដែលចំហាយម្រេចចូលចំមកវាធ្វើឲ្យនាងកដាលយ៉ាងខ្លាំងហើយការដែលមិនមានស្បែកជើងដើម្បីទប់ការរអិលរបស់ខ្លួនជាហេតុដែលធ្វើឲ្យនាងរអិលហោះទៅបុកនឹងរបស់ដេកដីមួយកន្លែងនៅទីបំផុតកងកម្លាំងរបស់ Smoker ក៏បានមកដល់តែពួកគេមិនទាន់ចូលទៅចាប់ខ្លួនរបស់ក្រុមចោរសមុទ្រភ្លាមៗទេ Smoker ទោះឲ្យពួកនោះសម្រាប់គ្នាឯងអស់សិនចាំគេនឹងចូលទៅចាប់បន្ទាប់នៅកន្លែងនេះ Tashiki ក៏ដឹងការពិតទៀតថាតាមពិតទៅ Zoro គឺជាចោរសមុទ្រសោះនាងស្មានតែគេត្រឹមតែជាមនុស្សធម្មតាអាចថាល្មមធ្វើឲ្យនាងអស់សង្ឃឹមដែលខំចូលចិត្ត Zoro បាគីដែលនាំខ្លួនរបស់ Luffy មកដល់កន្លែងប្រហារជីវិតហើយទើបសួរ Luffy ថាមានអីចង់និយាយមុនស្លាប់ទេអាក្អូន Luffy ក៏ស្រែកឡើងថាឈ្មោះរបស់ខ្ញុំគឺជា Monkey D Luffy ខ្ញុំនឹងហើយដែលជាអ្នកនឹងស្វែងរក One Piece ហើយខ្លាចមកជាស្ដេចនៃចោរសមុទ្រឲ្យបានក្រុមណាមីដែលកំពុងតស៊ូនៅខាងក្រោមពួកគេព្យាយាមឡើងមកជួយ Luffy ហើយតែពួកចោរសមុទ្រវាច្រើនពេកទើបមិនអាចទៅបាននៅខណៈដែលបាគីត្រៀមនឹងកាត់ក្បាលរបស់ Luffy ហើយសុកស្រាប់តែរន្ទះបាញ់មកលើបាគីឡើងផ្ទុះខ្លួនជាចំណែកអាចថាកន្លែងប្រហារជីវិតឡើងខ្ទេចគ្មានសល់សំណាងហើយដែលថាមពលរបស់បាគីវាអាចបំបែករាងកាយបានទៅវាមិនងាប់ចំណែក Luffy វិញមិនកើតអីខ្លាំងទេជាពិសេសខ្នោតដៃថ្មខៃរ៉ូក៏របូតទៀតទៅកម្លាំងរបស់ Luffy ត្រឡប់មកវិញ Smoker ដែលចូលមកចាប់ពួកគេហើយណាមីអ៊ូសូបក៏នាំគ្នារត់ត្រឡប់ទៅទូកវិញចំណែកឯ Luffy Sanji និង Zoro ក៏រត់ទៅផ្លូវផ្សេងជាហេតុដែល Zoro នោះត្រូវជួបនឹង Tashiki អាចថានាងខឹងណាស់ពេលដឹងថា Zoro គឺជាចោរសមុទ្រចឹងហើយនាងមិនបណ្ដោយឲ្យ Zoro រួចខ្លួនទេហើយដែលមានតម្លៃទាំងនោះ Zoro មិនស័ក្តិសមនឹងប្រើវាឡើយតែគេឬថា Zoro ខ្លាចនោះ Zoro ប្រាប់ឲ្យ Sanji Luffy ទៅទូមុនសិនទៅចាំគេនឹងចាត់ការម្នាក់ស្រីនេះហើយការតស៊ូរបស់អ្នកប្រើដាវដូចគ្នាក៏ចាប់ផ្ដើមមើលទៅ Zoro ដូចជាថ្នមដៃនឹងនាងណាចំណែកនាងវិញខំប្រឹងវាយ Zoro មែនតើតែគេឬថាសមត្ថភាពដូចជានាងអាចយកឈ្នះគេបាននោះមួយដាវចាក់អាវរបស់នាងជាប់នៅជញ្ជាំងមួយកន្លែងមុនដំបូងនាងគិតថាជីវិតរបស់នាងត្រូវចប់នៅកន្លែងនេះហើយតែ Zoro មិនបានតាំងចិត្តថានឹងសម្រាប់នាងទេជាហេតុដែលនាងភ្ញាក់ផ្អើលមែនតើរ៉ែ Zoro គឺជាចោរសមុទ្រពួកចោរសមុទ្រជាពួកសាហាវខូខើហេតុអីក៏មិនព្រមសម្រាប់នាងទៅ Zoro មិនបានតបអីទេបានត្រឹមតែដើរចេញទៅរកបាក់ពួកកាត់មកកន្លែងរបស់ Luffy និង Sanji វិញពួកគេបែរជាជួបនឹង Smoker ជាបុគ្គលដែលខ្លាំងជាងគេនៅកន្លែងនេះមើលទៅពួកគេដូចជាមើងងាយសមត្ថភាពរបស់ Smoker ណា Sanji ដែលជួយទៅទាត់ Smoker ការទាត់របស់គេបែរជាមិនអាចធ្វើអីមកលើ Smoker បានឡើយដោយសារតែ Smoker គឺជាបុគ្គលដែលមានថាមពលរបស់ Devil Fruit ដូចគ្នាថាមពលរបស់គេគឺជាផ្សែងចឹងទៅពួកគេទាំងពីរត្រូវសមត្ថភាពទាត់ធាក់នឹងវាយគឺមិនអាចយកឈ្នះបុគ្គលដែលអាចគ្រប់គ្រងផ្សែងបានទេមួយដៃអាចថាម្នាក់ឡើងខ្ទៀត Luffy ដែលព្យាយាមដាល់ហើយនៅតែធ្វើអីមកលើ Smoker បានសោះនៅពេលនោះអាចថាមិនមាននរណាម្នាក់អាចយកឈ្នះ Smoker បានឡើយ Smoker ដែលប្រើថាមពលផ្សែងបានចាប់ខ្លួនរបស់ Luffy ទីដូចជាកៅស៊ូរួចក្បោកនឹងដីមួយទំហឹងអាចនិយាយបានថា Luffy គឺអស់កម្លាំងក្នុងការតស៊ូមែនទែននៅខណៈ Smoker កំពុងតែចង់បញ្ចប់គ្រប់យ៉ាងស្រាប់តែបុគ្គលអាចកម្បាំម្នាក់ក៏បានមកជួយ Luffy ទាន់ពេលតាមដែល Smoker បានឃើញនឹងបាននិយាយគេម្នាក់នេះគឺជាមនុស្សដែលខាងរដ្ឋាភិបាលពិភពលោកត្រូវការក្បាលបំផុតហើយបើសិនជាអ្នកជា fan របស់ One Piece ប្រកាសជាដឹងថាគាត់ម្នាក់នេះគឺជាណាគេទោះបីក្នុងភាគនេះគេអត់បានប្រាប់ឈ្មោះរបស់គាត់ម្នាក់នេះចឹងចាំខ្ញុំនឹងប្រាប់ទៅចុះគេគឺជាឪពុករបស់ Luffy មានឈ្មោះថា Monkey D Dragon ហើយតាមពិតទៅអរន្ទះដែលបាញ់បាគីនោះក៏ជាស្នាដៃរបស់គាត់ម្នាក់នេះដូចគ្នាតែ Luffy មិនដឹងទេថាម្នាក់នេះគឺជាអ្នកណានោះបន្តមក Monkey D Dragon ឪពុករបស់ Luffy នោះក៏បាននាំខ្លួនរបស់ Smoker ចាក់ចេញពីកន្លែងនេះបាទ Sanji ដែលភ្ញាក់មុនក៏បញ្ញាប់ចូលមកដាក់ខ្លួនរបស់ Luffy ដើម្បីត្រឡប់ទៅទូករបស់ខ្លួនវិញពេលមកដល់ Sanji ក៏សួរ Luffy ថាម្នាក់ដែលជួយ Luffy នោះគឺជាណាគេតែ Luffy ក៏មិនដឹងដូចគ្នាបន្តមកពួកគេក៏បញ្ញាប់ចាក់ចេញពីលោក Thorn ខ្សែភ្នែកដែលកំពុងតែសម្លឹងមើលការចាក់ចេញរបស់កូនប្រុស Monkey D Dragon ក៏និយាយឡើងថានេះឬផ្លូវដែលឯងបានជ្រើសដើរនោះបើអញ្ចឹងមែនជូនពរឲ្យសំណាងល្អនៅកន្លែងនេះទោះបីគេមិនតបបង្ហាញតែតាមការស្លៀកពាក់របស់ម្នាក់នៅពីក្រោយខ្នងរបស់ Monkey D Dragon ខ្ញុំប្រកាសចិត្តណាស់ថាគេគឺជាសាបូ 100% មកនៅទីបំផុតពួកគេក៏បានមកដល់ខ្សែទឹកចន្លោះភ្នំហៅថា Reverse Mountain ជាផ្លូវកាត់ទៅកាន់ Grand Line គ្រប់គ្នាសប្បាយចិត្តណាស់លើកឡើងតែអូសពគ្នាកំពុងតែខ្លាចពីព្រោះតែគេមិនដឹងទេថានៅខាងមុខពួកគេនឹងជួបស្អីខ្លះហើយរឿង One Piece Season 2 ភាគទី1បែបមនុស្សសម្ដែងក៏បញ្ចប់ត្រឹមនេះចឹងជួបគ្នាភាគបន្តឆាប់នេះណាបាទបើសិនជាអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាចង់ឧបត្ថម្ភខ្ញុំអាចឧបត្ថម្ភខ្ញុំបានតាមរយៈ QR Code នេះដើម្បីជាកម្លាំងចិត្តក្នុងការនាំយករឿងរ៉ាវផ្សេងៗមកសម្រាប់ជូនអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាទៀតចឹងបើអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាឆ្លៃរឿងមនីឆ្លៃវីដេអូមនីឆ្លៃរឿង anime ដូចខ្ញុំឆ្លៃរឿង Hero Marvel DC ដូចខ្ញុំចឹងកុំភ្លេចចុច like និង subscribe មកណាមួយផងបាទចាសស្មើបាយបាយ